I meet Sege. She came back to Addis Ababa to help her mother run the family restaurant.
Hello, hello, hello.
I'm eager to learn from one of the best, a crash course in Ethiopian cooking.
Wow, so this is where all the magic happens.
Yes.
Okay, so the first recipe is that dal recipe. Ginger or garlic?
Ginger and garlic.
Okay, so garlic ginger paste.
Half of it.
Yeah. How do you say salt in
Chow.
like chow?
Chow.
It's like chow. So a little bit of chow? Oh my god. I love chilies.
Oh my God.
Am I doing it right?
Yes.
Yes.
Parsley. This is tilapia.
Tilapia?
Then they make a salsa verde of garlic, ginger, and parsley and coriander, dredged in flour and then fried.
Yep.
She doesn't trust me here. So ginger, garlic, onion is the base for Ethiopian cooking. Beautiful. It's my type of cooking. Lots of flavor here. Now, gomen, this is kind of like collard greens, and I absolutely love it. Yeah, it's kind of done in almost an Italian way where it's like sauteed rapini or sauteed spinach, but you guys use gomen. Okay. Now, I love chili.
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah.
In Italian we say, adesso si mangia. Now we eat. How do you say that in local
Now
language?
I'm
Now a bamanya. Okay, beautiful.